Check out these DJI Smart Controller tips for an easier flight. Do not disturb mode. To have a more peaceful flight, you can go to Apps, Settings, Notifications, and enable the aerial photography Do Not Disturb mode. So after launching DJI Go 4, all notifications will only be shown in the notification bar. After connecting to a Wi-Fi hotspot, you can make a video call to your friend using a third-party app and share their real-time aerial video transmission using SkyTalk. You can optimize the signal transmission by adjusting the antennas. Align the antennas with the aircraft's position to ensure the best connection between the drone and the remote controller. Finished shooting? Let's start sharing. Open the shortcut menu, choose Go Share, and a QR code will pop up on the screen. Launch DJI Go 4 on a mobile phone. Go to the editor page. Enter Go Share. Then scan the QR code to connect the devices. After the remote controller is connected to your mobile phone, you can download videos and photos in batches and share the best moments with your friends. Now you know these simple techniques. You can learn more by going to Tips on the DJI Smart Controller's function screen. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.